11. It is an odd prime number. I actually have a degree in statistics, and I enjoy prime numbers, especially odd ones. I'm Nicole. I am the delivery lead for technology over at Insights. I've worked here now just over 4 years. My area is technology. I'm really focusing deep on contact center needs, as well as things that might be CCaaS, database, or beyond for different customer needs that are out there, technology-wise. Insight does a great job of becoming kind of a trusted advisor with the client, sitting down with them, really understanding their needs, and also providing really honest, open recommendations about what's out there in the business. And also looking at, what are your specific needs to make sure we give something that fits what you're actually looking for and is digestible. A lot of times when you talk technology, it becomes really technical, or it's like you look at something that's overwhelming. We really run alongside someone as a trusted advisor to break that down and make it digestible and understandable. Clients really today need a lot of implementation support. Helping them understand, how we do things, what's the expected timeline, are they asking the right questions? Implementation could be anything from any type of software as well, whether it's a CCaaS or something like a database or a report structure. Outside of just implementation, understanding what somebody needs or what is the best software. So really looking through a deep business requirements document approach, as well as some point of view documents to help someone understand what software might be best for their business. Outside of that, just really walking through and actually helping them develop that content. Sometimes that's hands-on support to actually go do that implementation or craft a database or craft a report for you that fits your needs. The team really has a wide variety of skills overall. We encompass things like project management, Six Sigma, all the way up to black belt. We've got things where we're experts in implementation for different providers of CCaaS. We've got a lot of experience as well in Microsoft.net, some things like Tableau and Azure as well. There's many beyond that as well. I know the team's got, but a wide variety of different things that we can help support. I'm sure a lot of times there's a variety of things someone might say. Things that jump out to me are, I just don't know what I need. I'm not sure if this cost makes sense. The team knows we need change, but we don't know what change looks like. We know we need a new provider, but we have hundreds of agents and we have no idea where to start. We'll also see things like, I've got data everywhere and I don't know how to look at it. I don't know what a good report should look like. In the retail industry, we partnered with a client to work through a CCaaS implementation. For this particular implementation, the client had about 300 seats that were in 6 different business units and 4 different sites. We worked with the team really to walk through that implementation process, and actually were able to do a single cutover launch across all of the different sites, business units, and groups at once. This is something where sometimes people are afraid, hey, my whole business at once, we're gonna pull a trigger. We were able to move through this. There were no major hiccups on launch day. And it's one where their chief technology officer even came back and said it was the single most efficient technology implementation that they had ever had. So just really impressed with it, and it allowed them to accelerate their business right away. We really take the time to get in the weeds with a customer. It's not just, I talked with you for 5 minutes, I kind of have a grasp, I'm gonna throw something in front of you. We actually wanna get as far deep as we can in the data, run alongside those stakeholders or frontline users, and really ask where the problem statements are or where the wish lists are, and also take time to craft recommendations that make sense and are digestible. If you're interested in learning more about what Insight can do for you and how we can help you on your journey to help improve your business, take a minute and visit our website.